Good morning and welcome to our booth. My name is Mohammed Aish from Resource Industries. Resource Industries is focusing on different kind of areas. One of them is the division, and we have the UAV division. We also have the EW and subsystems. What we are exhibiting today is almost 90% manufactured by us. All the vehicles here is designed and built by us. And if you can see there, we have the MRAPs vehicles. This is a level 3 protection, ballistic and ballistic. It's based on a Tatra chassis, which also being assembled in our facility in Abu Dhabi. We have other variants, of course. We have light tactical vehicles, we have SWAT vehicles. We have so many different variants. You go to the UAV divisions, we have a lot of reconnaissance UAVs, we have for logistic and different payloads we will show you in a bit. So yeah, we are already expanding and our products already been everywhere. And this is one of the reasons actually we are in Eurosatory today, to showcase our products and our quality of products. Of course, we will be in IDEX, and every IDEX we already participating for the past few years. In the UAE in IDEX, since it's our hub, we exhibit a lot more than what you see here, because it's a lot easier than for logistics and for everything else. And you'll find a lot more products that will be also announced in IDEX 2027. We custom made whatever our clients is in need for. So, and we try to do it in a very good timing and with the best quality we can. Today, I'm very proud to say that in the UAE, we are producing one of the elite and great products comparing to the world.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.